Hi everyone, so today we're going to start learning about perimeter. Towards the beginning of the school year, you learned about area, and if you remember, area was all the space inside of a shape, so all the little squares inside the shape made up the area. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of something. So for example, if you had a garden and you had a little fence around the outside of the garden, the perimeter would be the distance of that fence around the outside. So you'd measure the fence line. In an area, you measured squares. So remember, it would have been feet squared, but with perimeter, since it's just a little line segments, then it will just be feet. We look down here and we see a scale. So it says the scale is that one little line right here, one little line segment is equal to 1 foot. And this just means that if you were to build this garden in your backyard, that each of these little teeny lines in the drawing are going to equal 1 foot in your yard. It just makes it so that it's easier for you to draw a diagram on a piece of paper, because if you drew the diagram and it was the real size, then you'd need a really big piece of paper. So you have to scale it down. So the question is, what is the perimeter of the garden shown in the diagram? So in order to figure out the perimeter, I'm going to count the little line segments. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter of this garden is 18 feet with my little imperfect writing. In exercise 1, how do you know what unit to use for perimeter? And I know that it's feet because it says right here that the scale, each little line will be equal to 1 foot. Over here it says find the perimeter. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this one, oops, 16. And here you see that it's inches, that each little line is going to be equal to 1 inch in the real world. So when you're looking at the perimeter of a shape like this, then you can add each line segment, the length of each line segment, so you're just going to add them together to get the distance all the way around. So if I have 9 feet plus 8 feet, we'll do it right here, 9 feet plus 8 feet, and 9 plus 8 is 17. And then I'll say 17 plus 8 more feet. And I know that 8 plus 7 is 15. Bring the 1 up here. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 25. So then I'm going to do 25 plus 16. So I'll come over here and I'll do 25 plus 16. And I know that 6 plus 5 is 11. So I will put this one down here and this one up here. And then I have 2 plus 1 is 4. So then I'm going to take my 41 feet and I'm going to add 7 more. So 41 plus 7, and I know I could do this in my head, but I'm just going to write it out for you. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then you bring that 4 down, it's 48. So the perimeter of this shape is 48, and I know the unit is feet. It's 48 feet. So I hope that you have fun today with your perimeter lesson, and I will be here to teach you again tomorrow.